Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the video's current rotation and codec so you know what you're solving. Open the file now in your chosen app, VLC, QuickTime, Premiere, or a mobile editor, and import it. Make a duplicate or new project immediately to avoid overwriting the original. Once done, inspect the timeline or properties panel to see the current rotation value and frame ratio. This prevents surprises later and tells you whether you need a simple rotate or a re-encode step. Now apply the rotation control. Choose 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or the exact angle in the Transform/Filters panel. You'll often need to adjust scale and position after rotating to remove black bars and keep aspect ratio. Use crop if edges are off. Make sure motion and stabilization settings stay consistent. If your source codec won't accept transforms, you must transcode, export to H.264 or HEVC in a fresh file and re-import. This ensures the rotation embeds correctly without artifact. Finish by exporting using matching frame rate, resolution, and a stable bitrate so the rotated file behaves like the original. Once exported, play the video on the target device and verify audio sync and smooth motion. If you still see orientation problems, try exporting through a lossless intermediate codec or reset rotation metadata in a metadata editor. Some players ignore embedded rotation flags. If artifacts or sync drift appear, recheck your timeline and re-export with a different codec.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.